Hey YouTube family, happy spring! Spring is in the air, the birds are chirping, and it's just everything is gonna be all bright and sunny. So with that said, it is time for the Green Beauty for Us Spring Box. If you guys are not familiar with Green Beauty for Us, don't know where you've been, but let me give you a quick explanation. The Green Beauty for Us quarterly subscription box was created by Keisha Adinkra. It is a quarterly subscription box where you guys, when you order the box, you get products, like a lot of green beauty, healthy, holistic, skincare, makeup, living your life, just holistic all around products that are catered for people of color. They're gonna be green beauty, clean ingredients, non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, all that healthy stuff. And the reason is because there was such a lack of representation in the green beauty community that she said, you know what? I'm just gonna create my own box. And here we are, second box. Thank you guys so much for your support with the first box, the winter box, which was all about the lips. If you guys wanna see that box, I'll leave the video right here if you wanna check it out. That box sold out within about a day. So this is my warning to you. The spring box is so lit. When I tell you it is lit, it is crazy lit. The products are full size, a lot of products. Don't be like last quarter where the winter box sold out. Subscribe to the box as soon as you can. Get your box. Boxes will be shipping out April 5th. Let's get into the box. All the paperwork, all the business cards, all the information, all the stuff. It is a lot of stuff in here. The theme for the spring box is Revive Your Glow. So basically all winter your skin did dead. It just didn't look ashy and just dead. Now it's time to, you know, glow it up. Revive your glow. So fitting for spring. Spring is a season of growth, of new beginnings, of things just coming alive, awakening, plants are blooming, everything is coming alive. It's just where we're gonna just liven up the skin. So if you want to just be a glow goddess, a glow getter, just glowing from here to there, glowing at work, glowing when you sleep, glowing at home, glowing in your makeup, glowing in your skincare, just a glow nation, this box is for you. Let's get into it. Last video I spoke about the makeup and then the wellness afterwards. I'm gonna switch it around for you guys and speak about the wellness piece first and then the makeup. So in this first little cute little bag with the gold and the green, you know, plants, rebirth, growth, green, got you. Not sure if you get the same color bag. I got green, but whatever color you get, it's gonna be lit. As usual, you are provided with sage. Ooh, sage, it good up, it smells good, it smells nice. You guys already know sage is used to clear your space, get rid of negative energy. Great for cleansing. You can use it to cleanse your crystals. If you use crystals, use it just to cleanse your entire space. As usual, another winner, your Palo Santo sticks. Once again, burn it on the house, burn it at work, burn it with your friend house, burn it with your boyfriend house, burn it with your girlfriend house. This just also has a nice light refreshing scent, clearing the air of negative energy and just giving you a nice refreshing scent afterwards. The crystal for this quarter is called Green Aventurine. I'm going to read you more about the wellness piece from the card. It says, this quarter, our wellness focus is the heart chakra. This is the fourth chakra that sits in the center of your chest. This month, you receive a healing stone called Green Aventurine. This is a stone of opportunity and change. Spring is a time of change. Your affirmation mantra for this quarter is, change is essential for my growth and I welcome it. I release that which no longer serves my growth. The shade blush that I have is called Burn Deep, and it is actually the blush that I am wearing today on my skin. As you guys can see from me applying it, it is like a real nice burnt orange color. Such a gorgeous blush. Such a natural flush of color on my deep skin tone. I love it. It's just so smooth and easy to go on. Beautiful. The blush body, it turned up just a beautiful, 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 really beautiful blush. Now for the Green Beauty for Us box, there are two different blushes. The first one is this one here, which is Burn Deep, the one that I have, and the other one is called Coral Cool. So you can either get Burn Deep or Coral Cool. Another makeup piece right on top of the blush, we also have the Brown Leaf Cosmetics highlighter. You guys know that Brown Leaf Cosmetics is one of my favorite highlighter companies. Travel friendly, beautiful gold compact. And the highlighter, you guys, oh, you're gonna die. You're not gonna dare doing this. It's not gonna just turn over and not gonna just roll over. It is so beautiful. The highlighter got killing her. Now ready? Now ready, feet? Oh my gosh, go at it. Look at it. Look at it, you guys. This highlighter is in the shade Orange Sherbet. It's so beautiful. It gives you, and it's actually the highlight that I'm wearing today. Oh, just tap it onto the high points of your cheek. It just illuminates it with a nice flush of orange color. This highlight is just so perfect. It just looks beautiful. And paired with this blush and this highlight is going to change your life. Look. Isn't that beautiful paired together? Yes. Now, once again for the box, this is the highlight that I received. There are two highlights. The other shade highlight that you can possibly receive as well is called Sugar Cookie. So either you'll get Sugar Cookie or Orange Sherbet like the one that I have. But either one you get, her formula is so nice and smooth. Her formula is just so clean. Her formula just glides onto the skin. You will not be disappointed. Skincare, and as you guys know from my last skincare video where I did the tag, I love skincare. I use skincare, but I don't know much about skincare. So when I get skincare products, I get excited. All things au natural. This is a rose and hibiscus toning mist. It comes with this. It comes sealed in a regular bottle, and it also has a sprayer to spray it on your face. This is a toner, so you know the whole skincare routine. I believe after you cleanse your face and then you tone. As a toner, shake well after cleansing. Yep, see, after you cleanse, then you tone, and you follow up with other stuff. It has some of the ingredients: coconut water, rose hydrosol, witch hazel extract, hibiscus flower, avocado oil, rosehip seed extract. A lot of good clean ingredients. Let's smell. Okay. All right. This smells like, right? Oh. You know, like when you're really cute and you have on like a pair of like nice skinny jeans, but like a nice flowy top, and you have on some nice wedge like sandals, and you walk in the city with your bag to your shoulder, you know, like a nice little shoulder bag. You just walk in, the breeze is blowing, and you walk by like an apothecary. That's exactly what it smells like. It has a really nice, beautiful, earthy scent to it, but it's like an apothecary in the city. This is what it smells like. That's what it smells like to me. I can just picture myself walking in Manhattan, you know, mind my business, melanin popping, purse on, and I just walk by the apothecary and just, that scent hits you. That's what it smells like. It's a really nice, refreshing, calming scent. Right, what else do we have? Oh, this box is full of a lot of stuff. More skincare. This is Nude Acacia Beauty Bar, and this is the Goddess Face Mask. The glow doesn't just come from all the makeup and stuff. The glow comes from the skin being healthy. So of course, Keisha's gonna hook you up with skincare to make sure the skin is on point. So even before you put on all this stuff, the skin is gonna be glowing already. This face mask has curling clay, orange peel powder, calendula oatmeal, lavender. What does it smell like? Oh, it has a scent. Okay. The best way I can describe the scent, right? If you grew up on one of the islands, then you'll know. Like you're in Jamaica or Trinidad, or, you know, I'm Jamaican, so I know Jamaica. So you're walking on the island and you're walking on that nice red dirt. You know, the red dirt that stains your feet? That's what it's like. But you're eating an orange at the same time. Reason why I eat an orange is because this has some slight citrus notes to it. I smell like a nice citrus, very faint, but some slight hint of citrus to it. That's what this smells like. The CDF Skincare Bamboo Face Scrub. I tell you, Keisha is playing no games. When she says revive your glow, she's playing no games. So even if you're not into makeup, she's playing no games. She wants to make sure your skin is turned up as well. Put it on your face. It has little granules. It's deep down into your skin. It penetrates it. It cleans out the pores. And it just gives your skin like a nice little scrubbing, a nice little buffing situation. Wash it off. Boom. You're glowing. Okay, let's open it up. We're going to smell it together. Well, not really together, but together. And I'm going to tell you what it smells like. First of all, it looks like oatmeal. It looks straight up like oatmeal. Okay. You know what this one smells like? It's springtime, like it is now, right? And you're out in your backyard or your front yard. You have like a nice little sun hat, your gloves on, a nice little summer dress, but not a fancy dress because you're on the ground, just like in a house dress. Or you can have on some leggings, but a house dress is preferred for this imagery, right? The sun is beaming down, you have a sun hat on, and you have all of your gardening tools around you because you are gardening. And you know when you're gardening, right? And you pull in all the weeds and you know, planting new flowers. And if you break like a limb off a plant or if you break the stem of a plant, it has that plant scent. That's what this smells like. It has a very earthy plant scent to it. See, look, see, it has a picture of a leaf right there. You see it has a leaf. See, I know my scents. I know what things smell like. I'm so hyped. Calm down, girl, calm down. But no, I am really so hyped for this box. When I got it, I was like, this box feels heavy. I was like, Keisha, why is this box so heavy? I think this is the last product. It is hefty, y'all. It is a hefty, full-size product. Xandra Beauty Soap Bar. It's not one that you're purchasing a bar. This has so much meaning behind it. Let's discuss it. First, this says remove and restore. So basically, remove the dead skin, remove the negativity, and just restore with a nice revitalized skin that's just going to be glowing, radiant skin. Get rid of all the dead skin cells. That's what this bar will do for you. So not just your face, but all over body. So when you're ready to wear those mini skirts, those crop tops, everything is just glowing, revitalized, you know, just the whole body. You know, she didn't just stop at the face, the whole body. The great thing about this soap bar though, it is made by a young lady and her name is Xandra. Made by a girl for girls everywhere. Love Xandra. Talk about inspiration. It says her promise. This soap was plant-based, cruelty-free, no icky stuff, all natural, biodegradable, and paraben-free. A sweet indulgence of almond is just what your body needs. With a gentle lather and sea salt exfoliation, your skin will feel soft and smooth. Also, important, listen up, everybody stop, everything around you, just stop. Listen to this, it's the important part. Your purchase helps to educate and empower girls. I'll read that again, it's right there, I'm not making this up. Your purchase helps to educate and empower girls. If this is not what Green Beauty for Us is all about, then what are we here for? You know? I'm so pleased that Keisha included this soap, this brand in the Green Beauty for Us box, because this is a teen girl who, you know, is a co-owner and she makes these awesome soaps. This is just such motivation. I'm so proud of her. The soap is gorgeous. It smells gorgeous. It has like a little hint of sea salt right at the top. You can see it's just crumbling over. Your skin is gonna die. Well, not die. Your skin is gonna live. Ooh. Oh. It smells good though. has a semi-sweet scent, but not overly sweet. All I can think about is laying in a hammock, you know, in a nice shady, maybe in like a forest somewhere, but it's really shady, in a hammock. And the hammock is just gently swinging back and forth and back and forth, just back and forth. And it's just slowly just lulling you to sleep. But the best part about laying in the hammock is the breeze that is just blowing over you. It is so fresh. It is so clean. It is so sweet from the trees around you, the fruit trees. It is sweet from that, but it's not overly sweet. It's just a nice scent, just laying on the hammock, just swaying back and forth, just going towards, just going with the vibrations, just going with the wind, just woo woo, when breeze is blowing and scent is flowing and your body is just in a trance of just relaxation and happiness. That's what this smells like. It's a very light scent. It's a very beautiful scent. That is it, you guys. Those are all the products that, I don't know how she fit it all in this one box. Those are all the products that came in your Spring Green Beauty for Us subscription box. I just did the math, right? I did the math. And I calculated, you know, the prices here for all of these products is approximately $86. The reason why I say 86 is could be a little bit more because she does not include the price of the Palo Santo and the Sage. So those prices are not listed on the card. But everything else, the price is listed and it's $86. You're getting double what you paid for this box. Double. When I tell you that this box is going to change your life, I'm not saying because I just want you to get the product. I'm saying because I believe in these products. I know what Keisha does. I know firsthand how she meticulously picks every product. She meticulously reviews each product. You might not see her posting the videos, but she does. She reviews, she tries the products. She swatches them. She wears them. She actually speaks to the owners, see what they're like, their personality, see if their brand work with her brand. I know what it is like. Because I talk to Keisha all the time and we talk about it all the time and we're always in conversation, you know, me and Keisha like this, so that's how I know, you know, we discuss things. But to be real, you guys, I know what it's like. I know what she goes through. I know how meticulous she is about her image. I know. So this box is like, I believe in it. I can vouch for it. I can just attest to it. This is, you're getting your money's worth. When I tell you that the spring box is just gonna waken up your skin, just gonna revive your glow, get your mind ready with the sage, the green aventurine, everything. Get your face ready with the highlighter and the blush. Get your skincare ready with the mask and the scrub. And then get your whole body ready with the soap. You gotta do a body roll. Do you not see the glow? I had to put my hair up for this video so you guys can see it all. You guys know, you know me. If you watch my videos for a while, you know my hair is 99% of the time it is down. It is down. But after I did it, I was like, no, I have to show this. I was like, they're gonna see all of this. I had to put my hair up. I had to for this video. It was no other way. No other way. I was coming on here hiding all this. Can't dim my lights. Shine bright, shine like a diamond, shine all the time. Not a, can't cover it up. No, sir. Must be bright. No. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys support the box, support the movement. Green Beauty for Us. Tag all over social media Green Beauty for Us when you get your box. Show what you got. And once again, thank you guys so much. Keisha appreciates your support and so do I. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye. Look at that. Look at the shoulder. Look at the shoulder. Look at the shoulder. Ooh. Look at the cheek. Look at the cheek. Look at the cheek. Oh God, I need help.